Unlocking the meaning, replace the bridge. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, replace the bridge. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about idiomatic expressions, understanding the layers of meaning in such phrases can be both fascinating and useful. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and the context in which you might encounter it. Get ready to build your vocabulary and enhance your comprehension skills. At its most basic level, replace the bridge carries a straightforward, literal meaning. To replace something means to put something new in the place of something older or damaged. A bridge, in this context, is a physical structure that spans a gap, usually over water or a valley. So, when we talk about replacing a bridge, we are referring to the process of removing an old or damaged bridge and building a new one in its place. This can be due to reasons like wear and tear, safety concerns, or the need for a bridge that can handle more traffic. Interestingly, this phrase can also be used in a metaphorical sense. In non-literal contexts, replace the bridge might refer to renewing or repairing connections or relationships. Just as a physical bridge connects two places, metaphorical bridges can connect people, ideas, or different aspects of life. When these connections are weakened or broken, they may need to be replaced or repaired to restore the relationship or link. This use of the phrase highlights the importance of maintenance and effort in personal and professional relationships. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in real-life situations. In engineering and construction, the city plans to replace the bridge that was damaged in the recent floods. In personal relationships, after years of misunderstanding, they're finally trying to replace the bridge and mend their friendship. In professional settings, the company is looking to replace the bridge between its marketing and sales departments to improve communication. The phrase can also reflect broader cultural and social implications. For instance, in community development, replacing a bridge can symbolize progress and adaptation, showing a community's resilience and commitment to improvement. In a globalized world, replacing bridges can signify the efforts to build new connections between cultures, countries, and people, emphasizing the importance of understanding and cooperation. We hope this exploration of the phrase, replace the bridge, has provided you with a deeper understanding of its meanings and uses. Whether it's rebuilding physical structures, mending relationships, or fostering new connections, this phrase embodies the essence of change, repair, and renewal. Remember, language is a bridge itself, connecting us through words and meanings. Keep building your linguistic bridges, and see where they lead you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning.